Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Corolla alternator. First, ensure your safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Next, locate the alternator, which is usually on the front of the engine, driven by the serpentine belt. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement. Now let's remove the old alternator. Use a 14mm wrench or socket to release the tension on the serpentine belt tensioner, then carefully remove the belt. Next, disconnect the main power wire, usually a 10mm nut, and the multi-pin electrical connector. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, typically 12 or 14mm, that hold the alternator in place, and carefully remove it from the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully place the new alternator into its mounting position. Insert the 2 or 3 mounting bolts and hand tighten them before fully securing them with your wrench or socket. Ensure they are snug but do not over-tighten. Then, reattach the main power wire and the electrical connector, making sure both connections are firm and secure. For our final steps, let's get everything back in order. Carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly, then release the tensioner. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, tightening it firmly with your 10mm wrench. Finally, start your Corolla and observe the dashboard. The battery warning light should turn off, confirming your new alternator is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.